Star args and double star kwargs. Two features Python developers use all the time, but rarely understand deeply. A single asterisk prefix tells Python to pack all extra positional arguments into a tuple called args. Whether a caller passes 2 values or 20, your function sees a tuple and can iterate over every element. This makes star args ideal for variadic functions where the input count is unknown at design time. The double asterisk handles keyword arguments. Python collects any name equals value arguments into a dictionary, so calling configure with theme equals dark and size equals 14 gives you a dict to iterate over or pass along. Double star kwargs is the right choice when your function needs flexible, named options. In practice, both shine in wrapper and decorator patterns. Star args lets a wrapper function forward an unknown number of positional arguments to an inner function without knowing them individually. Double star kwargs passes along named configuration options. Combined, a decorator using both star args and double star kwargs can transparently wrap any function regardless of its signature, no matter how many or what kind of arguments that function expects. You can use both in one function, but the order is strict. Regular parameters first, then star args, then double star kwargs. Swap them and Python raises a syntax error. Always, single star before double star. Star args packs positionals into a tuple, double star kwargs packs keywords into a dict. Use them in that order for maximum flexibility. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.